This is a brother DCP L2520D. This card is used in brother DCP L2520D or 2541DW. How to set this drum, compatible drum. This is a original drum. This side this portion height some, but this is spring. Spring it. This is a compatible drum. Compatible drum. This portion or एक this is a compatible drum. Please, this portion not open from the drum. This portion not open the drum. It is stuck with the drum and it is spring. When press it is spring. This is compatible drum, but second hand drum all are spring. Please do not open from this drum. Now you can see how to set this cartridge all compatible drum. At first, open this rod, press and open this side. Then open this. Then open this drum. How this is, you can see it, but it not open. When it press, it is spring. See now how to install it. At first, the right side press and insert properly. Insert properly. You can see. Check the drum insert properly or not. If insert correctly, you seemed this is installed correctly. Other side check. If insert, then you see drum installed correctly. Then install this portion. This setting properly and then insert rod. Your drum unit is ready. You do not install correctly drum, so your drum is not installed correctly and not work. Please see this process to install correctly your drum. This is a 2365 cartridge. It used in brother DCP, brother L2520D and brother L2541 DW. You can see this portion, some height, but it is spring when installed. When installed, press correctly. All drum are set correctly.